Classes friends, and today I will be telling you about the basic concepts of a GST that everybody should know. First one is definition and meaning of GST. GST is goods and services tax. It is a tax on supply of goods and services. It is a tax which is levied on value addition. Thus, if a tax is paid on supply of goods and services, then you can take a credit of tax that you have paid on input. Second comes taxable event. Remember friends, it is a tax on supply of goods and services, not on the sale of goods and services. Thus, when you transfer it from one godown to another or from factory to other place, then tax will be levied if there is a value addition. Third comes the point, how many countries. The tax is till now being levied in more than 160 countries, and France was the first country to implement it, and latest was the Malaysia, and now it has come to India also. Structure of GST in India, it is a dual structure. It will be levied by the center and state together. Both the center and state have got equal say in case of GST in India. Different rate. GST has got 5 different rates. First one is 0%, second is 5%, third is 12%, fourth is 18%, and fifth is 28%. Most of the essential goods are in category of 0%. Most of the commonly used goods are in the category of 5%, and other goods are in the most of the other goods are in the slab rate of 18 to 12%, and luxurious item are in the slab rate of 28%. I can show you on newspaper. In this, you can see that wheat has been taxed at the rate of 0% now. Previously, it was 2.5% in India, and rice it is on 0%, and previously it was 2.75%. And most of the commonly used goods such as tea, milk powder, sugar, sweetener, spices are taxed at 5%. Thus, you can see that tax will be reduced by the applicability of GST in India. And moreover, you can see that in case of other goods, it is 12% here, and 28% in case of very few items. Then also you can see the rates of tax previously were higher as compared to the current rates. This page has been taken by me from the newspaper. Now friends, come the point, GST Council. Now GST Council is the utmost authority that will be responsible for levying tax in India. GST Council is responsible for deciding rates, the exempted goods and threshold limits in India. GST Council have got members from center and state, and there will be a majority of 75% to approve any of the resolution in GST Council. 1/3 majority will be of center and 2/3 will be of the state. Then only any resolution can be passed in GST Council. Then GSTN is a network through which we will get connected to the center, and all IT infrastructure will be the responsibility of GSTN Council. The full form of GSTN is Goods and Services Tax Network, and all kind of IT infrastructure will be in the hand of GSTN. And that's it guys. If you want to see more videos on GST, you can subscribe to our channel.